Good morning student. In previous video we have completed test for the similarity of the triangle. In this video I am going to explain some question based on similarity of the triangle from practice set 1.3. We learn similarity of the triangle, test for the similarity of the triangle, that is angle 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 or the angle angle test, side angle side test and side 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 test. Here I explain first question. First question is given in the figure. Angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. Now in given figure, which two triangles are there? The small triangle DEC and this big triangle ABC. Okay. Now what is the information given in this triangle? Two angles are given here. Okay. Then which test we can use here? We can use the first or the second test. There is no information about the side. Okay. Therefore we can use the first test of the similarity of the triangle. That is angle 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 or the angle angle test. While prove the two triangles are similar or not. First here we have to take the two triangle with right correspondence. First here I take the small triangle DCE. Here I write the or name this triangle DCE. Then write the second triangle with the right correspondence. Now for triangle ABC, D is correspondence with which angle D is given 75. Now which angle is 75 in triangle ABC? That is B. Therefore D is correspondence with B. C is the common angle in both the triangle, that small triangle and the big triangle. Therefore C is correspondence with C and the next vertex is correspondence with the remaining, that is the A. Therefore this is the right correspondence of these two triangles. Okay. Then in this two triangle, what is given here? Angle CDE. Angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA, each of 75 degree. This is the given part. From here also we can write CDE. This is equal to what? CBA. In this way here we get the right correspondence of angle also. Okay. Then find out the second angle which is congruent in both the triangle. See, angle C is the common angle for both the triangle. Therefore we write angle C for this small triangle as DCE. And for second triangle same angle, here we write BCA according to this correspondence. This is the common angle. Now see, in these two triangle, two corresponding angles are equal here or the congruent. Therefore these two triangles are similar by angle test of similarity. Okay. In this way here we prove these two triangles for this correspondence are similar by which test of the similarity? Angle test of the similarity of the triangle. Okay student. Now see the second question. Now what is the second question given? Are the following triangles similar? If yes, then by which test? Figure is given, two triangles are given here. Here we have to prove these two triangles are similar or not. If it is similar, then by which test? Okay. Now if we observe the figure, in these two triangles, sides of the triangles are given. Okay. Then we can think about the all three sides are given here. There is no information about the angle. Therefore we can think about the third test, that is side test for the similarity of the triangle. Clear? Now for the similarity of the triangle, if the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion, then triangles are similar by the side test. Okay. Then for this triangle PQR and the element LMN, first we take the corresponding side of PQ. PQ is correspondence with LM, here we take. Okay, this is the what is smallest side here. Here smallest side is what? 3. That is LM. Therefore here we take the ratio of PQ upon LM is equal to 6 upon 3. That is 3 ones are 3 twos are, here we get 2 upon 1. This is equation 1. Similarly, we take the ratio of second corresponding side, that is QR and MN. QR upon MN is equal to, value of QR is given 8 upon 4, that is 2 upon 1, that is 4 1s are 4 2s are. Okay, this is equation number second. Similarly, third side of the triangle, that is PR upon LN, is equal to, PR is given 10, LN is given 5. Here we get 5 1s are 5 2s are, that is 2 upon 1. This is equation number 3. Here we take the ratio of their corresponding side and we find here the ratios are equal. This means they are in proportion. Now in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, for this correspondence PQR and LMN, the ratio of their corresponding sides are in proportion. From equation 1 to 3 we write here PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. Okay, all ratios are equal. This means they are in proportion. Therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by which test of the similarity, that is side test. Clear? Okay, I hope students you understand this question also. Now see the next question. In next question, as shown in figure, okay, two triangles are given here. Two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of the shadow of smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the same side? At the same time. So here we have to find out the length of the shadow for the bigger pole. Now see PR in this figure. PR, which is perpendicular to the ground, and AC are the two poles, and QR and BC. QR is the shadow of the small pole, that is PR, and BC is the shadow of second pole AC, are their shadows respectively. The shadows are cast at the same time, but the shadow for both the pole cast at the same time. Therefore triangle formed by this pole and the shadow are similar. Therefore here I write triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, because what is shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore the triangle formed by this pole and the shadow, okay, are similar. Clear? Or you can prove also these two triangles are similar. See, each of 90 degree perpendicular, okay, and shadow cast at the same time. Therefore these two angles are equal. In this two triangle, two pair of corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore these two triangles are similar by angle test. In this way also you can prove. Okay, therefore here we write two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, we know that their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, therefore PQ, ratio of their corresponding side, that is PQ upon AB. PQ is correspondence with AB. Then QR is correspondence with BC. QR is correspondence with BC, and PR is correspondence with what? AC. Corresponding CSST means what? Corresponding side of similar triangle which are in proportion. Okay, therefore we write, but value of QR it is given and BC it is given, therefore we take this ratio. Okay, and which ratio? PR and AC. Therefore here we write QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC. Here we take this second and third ratio. Okay, value of QR is given 6, value of BC, this is the shadow of the bigger pole that we have to find out. Here we take X and we write X here, is equal to PR is given 4 and AC is given AC, that is the height of the bigger pole, it is given 8 meter. Okay, then by cross multiplication here we get X is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. Okay, then 4 1s are 4 2s are, here we get. Okay, now in numerator 6 into 2 divided by 1, that is X is equal to 6 into 2. Here we get X is equal to what? 12. X is equal to 12. This is the length of the shadow of the bigger pole, and this is equal to what? Dimensions are given in meter. This is 4 meter, this is 6 meter. Therefore here we write the length of the shadow of the bigger pole is equal to what? 12 meter. Clear, student? Now note down your homework. Homework question number 4. Okay, and question number 8. This is homework for you, student. This is all for today. Thank you very much.